Oh, the sky is falling. Crypto's crashing, guys. The world's over. Sell everything. There's a whole lot of FUD coming up next. All right, guys, so you can go all over the internet right now. You're gonna hear all kinds of good news or bad news, and the reality is the numbers just keep plummeting. Check out the links in the description below. It'll talk about how the banks bought me Bitcoin. I actually borrowed from Debt Weapons to buy Bitcoin back in November, and then actually continue to buy fairly bullishly up through even January. So I bought some high, I bought some low, and the truth is, after the latest crash, we're down. So yes, it would be very easy to have a lot of FUD right now, which is an acronym for fear and uncertainty and doubt. And that's everywhere, okay? The bottom line is this, and I've been saying it from the very beginning. I couldn't care less. Yes, of course, I want to see only upticks in growth from investments that I put money into. But the decision I make to put money into an investment has nothing to do with how that investment performs. If it performs well, of course, we're happy. If it performs poorly, we're disappointed. And in either case, it has absolutely no impact on our future. None whatsoever. Now, of course, if it takes off and some of the currencies that we invested into become really, really valuable, yeah, maybe, of course, it would change our futures. But if it goes to zero, it will not have any impact on tomorrow. It won't have any impact on a year from now. It won't have any impact on 10 years from now. We're only investing what we're prepared to lose. And I think this is a really important time to look at these transitions and know that when you invest only what you can afford to lose, you're not reacting emotionally to things like a decline or a correction to the market. Now, we're still big believers in the Hottel theory. I think some people call it hold. It's the hold on for dear life, HODL acronym. And guys, listen, I bought into this, very intrigued by what it could be a year from now, very intrigued at what it could be 5 years from now. So when I see a bubble popping, or what seems to be like a bubble is popping, I don't scramble to sell off my position and take a massive loss. It doesn't make any sense to do that. And right now we are currently down about 20% overall. Well, a lot of people would look at that as a recession of my current position, and anything over 20% is sort of stamped or labeled as that. I have zero fear of where this is heading, and very much still believe that it could go up. Now, I'm not suggesting that any of you borrow money to buy cryptocurrencies. I'm not even suggesting that any of you buy cryptocurrency with your own money. Do your research. This channel is not intended to be any form of investment advice. It's not what we talk about here on the channel. But I wanted to give you guys a basic update that you have two ways to look at it. You either look at this as a massive sale, where something that last month cost $250 to buy and now only costs $125 to buy, that you're getting a 50% discount on it. You know, imagine walking into Walmart and having everything on the shelves at a 50% markup. That you would probably go on a higher level spending spree than you would have if all the prices were what they originally were. So in theory, it makes better sense to buy the dips. And it absolutely does not make sense to sell on the dips. You don't buy high and sell low. This is just general investing 101. So guys, I just wanted to give you that brief update. I want to talk about both the highs and the lows of making certain investment decisions. And the real purpose of our original video was to show you just how liquid Debt Weapons can be. And when or if these markets correct and the currencies that we own recover, we have the opportunity to make a tremendous amount of money with money that the banks originally let us use for this very purpose. I love the irony in it. So guys, I appreciate you checking in with me for this update. We'll continue to keep you posted. Until we see you on the next video, make it a great day today and take care.